Representation of data in graphical form or chart form is very important in our day-to-day activity. In today's session, we will learn about pie chart. We have GDP data of top 7 countries of year 2020 in billions of dollars, and we want to convert it into a beautiful pie chart in this form. And this session we will learn how to make a beautiful pie chart from the data of GDP. Let's start. Before starting, we must know what is pie chart. Pie chart is a diagram consisting of a circle divided into parts to show the size of particular parts in relation to the whole. Welcome to our channel. Let us start how we can make a pie chart. First copy this. We are going to pasting it. We want to make country wise GDP value of 2020, top 7 countries. So what is the first step? First of all, select country and GDP value, column number 1 and column number 2. Then go to insert. We can find various items here. Go to pie. Today we learn 2D pie, 2-dimensional pie. Click it. Yes. Now the pie chart is made and each color represents different countries, but we want to show each data and country like this. And here the topic of pie chart. So first of all, how to incorporate this value? To incorporate this value, click on the circle, right click, click on add data labels. Yes, this value is GDP value. Now GDP value are showing, but country details are not showing. How to do that? Right click, click on format data labels. We can select category name. Category name means country. Tick it, close. Now you can see country name is also incorporated. Just make it bigger. Now country is incorporated, so there is no need of this additional box. So just click and delete. And now it's comparatively better than previous form. You can see United States, 20,932.75. There is country name, GDP value. Here what was the shape? The GDP value is below country. How to make country and GDP value separate on different line? For that, right click, click on format data labels. On bottom part you can see separator. It is by default showing comma, and there are various options are there: comma, semicolon, period, new line, space. We want to add new line, means country and GDP value will be on different lines. So we click on new line. Click, enter. Now you can see country name, and below country name there is a GDP value in another line. Everywhere it is like that. Enlarge it. Now it's fine. Next part is how to implement this topic, pie chart GDP. For that we go to insert, and you can see text box. Click, and at whatever place we want to write, by pressing left button of mouse, we make a box. Now we can write. We write pie chart GDP nominal, it is in billions of dollar, and for which year? Year 2020. It's done. We can align it also by slight adjustment of the box, and since it is a topic of pie chart, subject of pie chart, so we want to make it bold. So how we can make it bold? Just place this cursor here and press Ctrl+B. Our pie chart is ready. In next session we will learn another kind of charts and graphs. I hope today's session will be useful for you, and if it is useful, then please like and share. If you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.